is your Lead Left vodcast for the week of June 15th. I'm Randy Schwimmer. Welcome back. Time to go to cash, we announced recently at the dinner table. The Dow had almost climbed back to its February 12th peak. What does that mean? Our 6-year-old daughter asked. Her mother replied, "It means Daddy wants to put our money in a mattress." Unfortunately, more pressing matters, like whether to give our 10-year-old a cell phone, we did, intervened, and the moment was lost. Being held hostage to headlines is how liquid assets behave. You can ride the wave up on good news, but bad news sends the roller coaster right back down. Even credit assets can be hijacked by fund flows and Fed moves. For almost a decade before the Great Recession, leveraged loans and public equities showed little correlation. Loans and high yields somewhat more so. When the world plunged off the precipice after Lehman, asset values fell together, with investors finding no safe harbor. Correlation among loans, bonds, and equities increased dramatically and stayed there for years. The search for less correlated instruments led to private credit. Direct lending portfolios had behaved as expected through the GFC, with defaults and recoveries better than liquid loans. Assets were owned privately, didn't trade, and were valued on fundamentals. As our chart of the week shows, middle market debt was modestly correlated to junk bonds and leveraged loans over the past decade, even less correlated to equities, and uncorrelated to investment-grade bonds. While the current crisis is still early days, private credit flow is driven not by market technicals, but by PE dry powder and investor appetite. Correlation is a key factor in comparing asset classes, but investors look at fundamentals such as risk, returns, and consistent performance. That makes private credit increasingly prized in a diversified portfolio. As COVID-19 marches through the country, the markets, and the economy, offering premium returns over time and stability against relentless volatility will continue to be good things. Reporting from the highly correlated office at the Lead Left, this is Randy Schwimmer, wishing you and your families a safe and healthy week.